Right, so I thought I'd throw on the wireless mic because you can probably hear it's a bit loud on the traffic, so it might be hard to hear me. So hopefully you can hear me fine. We are in EdenDerry, or EdenDerry, or however you want to say it. It's not too far. It's about 40 minutes drive from Dublin, depending. Traffic, blah blah blah. Seems like a quaint little. That's uphill crap. Alright. Look, people did stop for the crosswalk, so that passed that test. Gonna set up little tests for towns. You know, how the pedestrian crossing there. Now that can actually depend on the driver. You know, some drivers can be bad, some drivers can be good. So it doesn't look like there's that now that way. This way it looks like it's more city village. We'll see if your man stops. There we go. So that passed the test again. A few pubs, betting sports, cafes, shops, you know. Yeah. I don't know if there's anything significant to come out and see all these places. I don't know, some people just like the country rural life. You know, you come out and it's chill. You know, there's no rat race. We have any food served daily, looking for staff. I've seen a lot of staff being looked for bars and all that. So I don't know if with COVID a lot of people went home, because we're open to the EU for people to work from anywhere in the EU, so they probably went home and they were probably bar staff or whatever, and they're looking for people now. Everything's opened up, restrictions are gone finally. There's still one or two here and there, but you know, nothing to write home about. Men's hair. It doesn't interest me because I'm bald. But it's busy. EdenDerry Centre. Plumbing and heating. A few people at the bus stop heading to Dublin. It's a city centre. Probably going for Ed Sheeran's playing today. So could be going in to watch that or shopping or a few points. This looks like the town square, so we're just going to do a little loop around here. This one probably won't be a 5 minute, it'll probably be a two-parter. I want to see it going into 3. It's basically, to me, it's a straight road. Then our eHive co-working hub. So that's where, like, you know, it's like an open office, and then, you know, someone might be an accountant sitting on one desk, someone might be a photographer at another desk, or IT specialist, something like that, you know. So you're just basically in an office space, and you get to use, like, you know, meeting rooms and stuff like that. Looks like there's big markets here as well, with this little setup here. Now it is a Saturday. Most places will usually have a market on a Sunday. Yeah, so all links. There's Barber's, another hair cutting place. Bargains galore. News agent. Another pub. So what would it be an Irish town without a pub? Huh? I don't think it's going to be out more interesting enough that way, so we're going to try cross over here somehow. There's a library up here that looks like from the 70s. As you can see, it's busy enough. It's a main road to get through from Tullamore, I suppose, to 50. What's wrong with you, buddy? Jesus, calm down. It's a Saturday. Now hopefully you've seen some driving videos. I've changed some settings on my dash cam so it looks like it's better quality. I'll have to check it out on my computer. There's a hair salon. So things are starting to get back.